Hi guys, we have here the Elchim dress code hair dryer. Great quality product, as you can see. Efficient, performs as a 2000 watt dryer, long life, AC Italian. This is the packaging you receive it, as you can see. Let's go ahead and flip that over. It looks like on the back. Let's go ahead and open this up for you guys here quickly. This is what you receive in the packaging, in the box, from the Elchim brand, high quality European brand. See the cable, nice, long and sturdy. Comes with a nozzle as well, and the instruction manuals. And there you have the dryer as well, as you can see. So if you're interested in purchasing this product, please visit the link in the description below. That's the other side. Turn it on and off. Great quality hair dryer from the Elchim brand. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Please share. Please like, and have a great day.